Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2018 International 4300. It is a 25999 GVW, so it does come in under CDL. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck though, we want you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be aware of it and you'll be able to go on there and take a look at it. This particular truck is a 2018. We've gone through a 150-point check. We've gone through the engine, transmission fluids, the cabs, the body. Any discrepancies that were found, we run it through our medium shop and through our body shop. It's been QC'd, test driven, ready to roll. On top of that 150-point check on this truck, we have done the engine oil, the oil filter, fuel and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned, and this truck is pre-qualified for AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into the cab, plenty of grab handles. This truck has a nice air suspension seat for the driver. It's got a two-person bench seat. It's got great outward visibility, and upward visibility is pretty good too. With this International having the slope to it, we've got an AM/FM radio in it. This is an air brake, air ride truck, automatic. And even though this is a 2018 truck, you can take a look at it. It's very well taken care of, maintained, really nice and clean. Great truck for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. Even though this isn't one of our normal Isuzu or Hino trucks that we sell, we do show other brands that we take in on trade to resell the same love as we do those trucks, get them ready to roll. A lot of times when you're looking at pre-owned trucks, the bodies are beat up, corner caps knocked out. This truck's in really good shape. It's got excellent rubber in it. As we said, the DPF filter has been cleaned. It does have the Cummins engine in it, and this truck does have air ride, air brake, where a lot of contracts are wanting that. This particular truck has got a ICC/step bumper with a 13-foot pull-out ramp. We can leave this truck in this configuration, or we can take it out, put a tuck-away lift gate of your likings, or even a rail lift if that's what you're needing. As we get up into the truck, we've got several rows of slats. We've got the hardwood scuff that goes all the way around. This truck does have a translucent roof, which is kind of nice. You can see better during the day what you're doing in here with your loads. It's got two LED dome lights for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. The floor in this thing's in really good shape. Got a lot of life left in it. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power knowing they need a delivery truck, not really sure what they need. We have the smaller trucks. We are starting to get some 26-footers back in stock. This particular truck is a 26-foot 97-102 wide. Very nice truck, good dimensions. And even though this truck is in really good shape, we can still wrap this body and the cab if you'd like, putting your name, graphics, phone number on this truck, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. So we said we got a really nice 2017 International 4300, air ride, air brake, pre-qualified for extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, subscribe to that YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified. And as always, we appreciate your time.